Hi. Right, are we ready?
It fell, that's it.
Don't worry, they can't. Oh.
Yeah, I can't actually see it. I saw that. We should have.
We could have an outtakes.
We were actually filming it.
Yeah.
We should put that in the video.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And you're like, Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Ruth's Restoration. Today in this video we'll be restoring a treasure chest.
Subscribe has decided that he'd rather work on the technical team for Ruth's Restorations. So today we're going to make him a new t-shirt so that he's got his crew shirt ready for work.
Whoa. So satisfying. Yeah.
Right.
One more. What's our cupboard? Woo.
There you have it. Subscribe is now an official member of the camera crew.
Subscribe.
There seems to be a lot of evidence of the fact that it had a black paint job on it many years ago, and that's obviously confirmed by the fact that underneath the handle there's also evidence of that paint. As you can see, this is totally destroyed. So I'm going to have to do something about that to try and strengthen this top up. I've got a feeling that that one snapped off. Yep, what I thought. Need to mark that one to make sure that I don't try and put a screw straight back into it. I'm going to try and use a router to trim a nice straight edge on the back of the box, so that I can then joint a nice piece of oak or something solid that's going to take those hinges. It's going to be difficult because that back panel is very weak from all the woodworm damage, so I don't really want to take any risks. That's the obvious thing. Got this plate, a nice square plate, so to be easy to register against a straight edge. I'm not going to set the depth of the router very deep to begin with. Just want to score a mark along to try and minimise the tear out, and then we'll go a bit deeper until we cut through. Putting these on to stop it twisting this way. because a lot of the colour disappeared when I cleaned the wax off. I'm just using a bit of Gilboy's wax oil to just give it that little bit of colour back. As you can see, I've left the black around here because I think that's part of its natural charm. And there's many woodworm holes in here as well, which I've been debating what to do with, and I think it's just best to leave them as testament to the hard life that this trunk has actually had. Some other good evidence there, the fact that this was black before, was underneath the key escutcheon. It's very black. It obviously was black, which makes me wonder how old this chest really is. For all that black to have been completely obliterated apart from very small pieces, I reckon there's a few hundred years worth of wear in this. Just some 4/0 steel wool just to get rid of those initial scratches.